Isn't this a great view of New Orleans Square? This is the Fantasmic Balcony, part of the Disneyland Dream Suite, where just about every day this year, a lucky guest will get to spend the night as part of the Dream Come True experiences that Disneyland is giving away to celebrate its Year of a Million Dreams. We're overlooking New Orleans Square, and we're about to go into the Dream Suite. This is the living room.
This room was very New Orleans, and it's very French provincial furniture, and the blue and kind of cranberry color schemes and such looked very New Orleans.
Imagineers decorated the suite with items that could have inspired Walt Disney to create the original Disneyland park, such as this carousel horse and these castle paintings. In addition to the living room, the suite has an open-air patio, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. Here we are touring the Dream Suite, and we're entering the master bedroom. And if you press this button, the goodnight kiss, this is what happens. Another cool element of the master suite is the bathroom, and you press the buttons here and see what happens. They magically appear, and it's almost a spa dream. We're out here on the patio, and you get a great view of the water and eventually the Fantasmic shelf. And loads of tourists.